Yeah, that's okay. If you found it hard to distinguish between the commands and the present tense, that's cool. Because later on I'll show you, especially because a lot of commands in the Quran are the plural, right? Because Allah is commanding the ummah, or is commanding the believers, right? So he's not commanding one person. So he's commanding antum, right? So antum is tansuruna, right? So it would be, the command version would be unsuru, right? So when he commands and forbids, then a lot of times it's in the plural. So it'll be aslimu, aminu, jahidu, qatilu, istami'u, ittaqu, anfiqu. These are commands in Quran. If you compare them to the past tense, it's aslamu, amanu, jahadu, qatalu, istama'u, ittaqaw, which you will learn later, anfaqu, and I'll put one up here, atu, and here I'll put ataw, and I'll translate these for you in a second. Sarf or not, this shortcut will help you in Quran reading. Okay? Aslimu, surrender, all of you. Aminu, believe, all of you. Jahidu, struggle, all of you. Qatilu, fight, all of you. Istami'u, listen carefully, all of you. Ittaqu, be God conscious, all of you. Anfiqu, spend, all of you. Atu, give, all of you. Like atu zakata. Or we could put aqimu here too. Aqimu salata, right? Aqimu. And then here we can put aqamu. Okay, so now look at the second line. Aslamu, they surrendered. Amanu, they believed. Jahadu, they struggled. Qatalu, they fought. Istama'u, they listened carefully. Ittaqaw, they had taqwa. Anfaqu, they spent. Ataw, they gave. Aqamu, they established. So what are you noticing? They're pretty similar, right? But the first line, what gives them away is most of the time when you can distinguish them, it's the kasra that gives them away as opposed to the fatha. So the bottom ones are huwa aslamahuma aslamahum aslamu, and huwa amanahuma amanahum amanu, huwa jahadahuma jahadahum jahadu, huwa qatalahuma qatalahum qatalu, huwa istama'ahuma istama'a hum istama'u. This one you don't know yet. Huwa ittaqahuma ittaqayahum ittaqaw. This one you don't know yet. Huwa anfaqahuma anfaqahum anfaqu. Then huwa ata huma atayahum ataw. Then huwa aqama huma aqamahum aqamu. So ataw you don't know yet. But on the top it's anta aslim, the commands. We haven't broken up the commands yet. But anta aslim, antuma aslima, antum aslimu. Anta amin, antuma amina, antum aminu. Anta jahid, antuma jahida, antum jahidu. Anta qatil, antuma qatila, antum qatilu. Anta istami', antuma istami'a, antum istami'u. Anta ittaqi, antuma ittaqiya, antum ittaqu. That's a complicated one. Anta anfiq, antuma anfiqa, antum anfiqu. Anta ati, antuma atiya, antum atu. And anta aqim, like aqim is salah, when we say salah, anta aqim, antuma aqima, antum aqimu. Those are irregulars. But this list is pretty helpful when you're reading Quran in general to distinguish between words that are easily confused between past tense and command. But in the sarf world, when we get there, we're pretty close to that. I'll help you see how they are different. And so when you said you took the ittakhadhu and it sounded like a command, you notice it had a fatha in it, ittakhadhu, like qatalu and istama'u and amanu and aslamu. And if it was ittakhidhu, then it would have been a command, it would have belonged to the top line. So even though it's not an official lesson, this is a pretty good shortcut for your Quran reading.